His love will never quit. His love will never run away. Even when I get upset, His love is still forgiving me. And it's all because His love isn't just a little bit. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of bit. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of bit. And I know no matter what, He never stops. 'Cause He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of bit. His love will never quit. His love will never run away. Even when I get upset, His love is still forgiving me. And it's all because His love isn't just a little bit. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of bit. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of bit. And I know no matter what, He never stops. 'Cause He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of bit. A little bit, a lot of it, a little bit, a lot of it. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. And I know no matter what, He never stops. 'Cause He loves me a whole lot, a whole lot, a whole lot of it. Yeah.
You know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse. Oh, hi there, friends! Welcome to the clubhouse. It's me, Zoe, and I'm so happy to see you today. As you can tell, I'm having so much fun. Do you know what I'm doing? That's right! I'm building a super-duper sandcastle. And everyone knows that a super-duper sandcastle needs a moat. I'm going to dig and dig and dig all the way around my sandcastle. Hey, I better start getting to work. This is taking so long and I've been working so hard. I don't know if I can do this by myself. What am I gonna do?
Who?
It's Ollie!
Hello there, Zoe. Who? Digging a moat, are you?
Hi, Ollie. Well, I'm trying to. It's been taking so long and I've been working so hard and I'm feeling kind of frustrated, Ollie.
I'm sorry you're feeling so blue. But I have just the story for you. Listen to this. Just follow me through.
Follow me through, Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
There you go, you got it. Oh, hi, friends. Stormy and her friend Goldie are playing ball. For a while, Goldie was trying to hold the ball on her nose by herself, and it was hard. But then Stormy came to help, and now they're playing. Isn't that what good friends do? They help each other. Which reminds me of a story. Today's true story from the Bible starts with Jesus walking into a city to do some important work when a centurion came up to him. Wow, look at that cool armor he's wearing. Centurions were leaders in the army. They were big and important. But this centurion believed that Jesus was even more important, and he needed Jesus' help. Jesus, he said, my servant is at home, and he is very, very sick. Please, I need your help to make him better. Now remember, Jesus was busy. He was on his way to do important work. But do you think that stopped him from helping the centurion? No way. Jesus said, do you want me to come to your house and make him better? But the centurion said, Jesus, you are way too special to come to my house. I know you can just say it and he will get better. And that's exactly what Jesus did. Jesus told the centurion to go home and the servant would be all better. And he was. Wow, Jesus is such a good friend. Jesus heard someone needed his help and he helped them. Jesus loved the centurion and his servant just like he loves you. That's why Jesus wants to be your friend forever, because he loves you very much. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Ollie, tell me, who loves you?
Jesus loves me. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who loves you?
Jesus loves me. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. Bye.
So there's your story. It's all true. Jesus helped the centurion, and he can help all of us too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, that was such a great story. Jesus helped the centurion when he needed him, and Jesus can help all of us too. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good. You know what? I'm gonna pray and ask Jesus if he can keep helping me to keep working hard and finish this moat. And I may ask a few friends to help me too. I'll see you next time. Bye!
A friend loves at all times. Proverbs 17:17. A friend loves at all times. Proverbs 17:17.